Today we found this wicked spot at Canada Water. It's pretty nice. A few skate stops over there, but there's like a two-step, a wax ledge, another two-step, some nice flat ground, and it's dark, but it's lit. It's been a nice, clear, crisp day, and the moment that we decide that we're going to meet up here, drizzle.
You know what that was?
What's that? Slippy.
Well, I was going to say, that was the first time, so in the edit you know what's going to happen. Kira's going for a varial heel, first up. None of these warmer up tricks like a kickflip or anything, just going straight for it.
Damn.
Alright, fair enough, take that back. Landing one already. I'm bored of filming already, so I'm going to do some rolly roundy shots. You got one more in you?
For the fans. For the fans, we got one more in me.
The camera will not focus today, it's having a horrible time.
It's good, I look minging.
Kira was really tired because he's been having sex all day.
Whoa.
Some of us have jobs and things to go to, but not Kira. He just has girls over on a Sunday night and they don't leave.
Oh, laser flip. One more attempt because it's really slippery and I don't like it. It's just not happening. Foot down will have to do.
Oh, that wasn't on camera. That is such a shame. You're right.
Oh man, that hurt.
You okay?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'll be okay. Oh, it's gonna bruise so bad.
Whilst Kira's here lying in pain, let me reenact what happened from first person perspective. Came off, going for a nollie 360 shove. Half landed it, stumbled, boosh. stumbled, splat.
Oh my god, it's like someone just soul punched my liver. Ugh.
Sorry for laughing.
It's
so
okay,
funny.
the cold ground is so good. Oh my gosh.
So I'm going to go for a backside flip. Can't even really do them on the floor, but it seems like a good time to start, right? On a wet ledge.
Yeah.
I thought I should probably kickflip it first.
I was going to say, that looked like a nice kick for Andy. How many tries it's going to take?
For a kickflip?
Yeah.
3 more.
3 more. Calm down, people. 3. That's an excellent one.
I'll take a bit of clothing off as well every time I don't land it.
Yes. Strip, skate, whatever you want to call it. Strip. Oh, jumper off, baby. Down. Oh, look at that nipple.
I've really got to land it, haven't I?
This is the one, otherwise the trousers are off.
Yeah, I ain't taking my top off.
Oh, that is excellent.
Doesn't count as a try.
The pants stay on for now.
Woo! Hat off.
Hats off to you, sir.
One soggy kickflip later, we're going to the stairs.
Okay, so we've just noticed that if our board shoots out, which is likely to because we're so bad, will it go into the water? Oh no, it's just dealing territory.
That's all right.
That's all right. Okay, so as I said before, there's 2 sets of stairs here, so I'm thinking safe ollie down the first one, try kickflip down the second.
it shut down.
First try!
Every time we land a trick first try, we do the Get the Tune. Just in case you don't know.
Boy, better know when it shut down.
Yes, I should say it.
Kieran's just done a couple of no slides on here. We're gonna go for a big one. What happened?
You're in my way. Have a look at the floor, guys. Such a shame. It's getting very slippery, so I'll give it one more go. Come out nice and smooth, dodge the camera. Sorry, dude.
On the upside, it looks great.
I nearly gave you a piggyback. So yeah, we're gonna pack up. This spot is too wet. Gonna go try and find a car park somewhere. Come with us.
Don't come with us.
Yeah, come with us.
Don't come with us. Click like and then come with us.
Yeah, you can't come with us unless you click like.
You can snap around your leaves back and stack them up with ease. It's a snap. You can twin back from the ground, clean and vacuum all around. It's a snap.
The first time he says shut up, my battery died.
Shut up.
Shut up. Don't upgrade your iPhone because this happens to me like so much at the moment.
Like pin and tail on the donkey.
Alright. Alright. Close my eyes, spin around with all these people here. Why not? Okay. How many times?
Will I stop you?
Yeah. Where's the box?
Oh yeah, I think we are in zone 1.
Embankment.
Yes. That's where we always go, but fine. My favourite thing to do is film people from behind as they walk along.
Yeah, I've noticed that.